Understanding Tendon Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of tendon repair. This is a term often used in medical contexts, but it's important for everyone to understand. So, whether you're learning English for personal growth, professional development, or academic purposes, this video will help clarify this term for you. Let's start with the basics. What are tendons? Tendons are tough, flexible bands of fibrous tissue that connect muscles to bones. They play a crucial role in our body, helping us move and exert force. Understanding this foundation is key to grasping the concept of tendon repair. Tendon injuries can occur due to various reasons. They might be the result of overuse, aging, or injuries. Common examples include sports injuries, accidents, or repetitive strain from certain activities. Knowing the causes helps in understanding why tendon repair might be necessary. Now, let's talk about tendon repair itself. It's a surgical procedure to fix a torn or damaged tendon. The goal is to restore the normal function of the joint affected by the injured tendon. Surgeons may use different techniques depending on the injury's severity and location. After tendon repair surgery, patients usually undergo a period of recovery and rehabilitation. This involves rest, physical therapy, and sometimes medication to manage pain and aid healing. It's a crucial phase to regain strength and flexibility in the affected area. That's a wrap on our exploration of tendon repair. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this medical term. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding how these words are used in real-life contexts. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.